Hello, welcome to India Edu Tutorials. In our previous class, we have discussed about Bayes theorems with some example. Today, let's discuss some more complex examples. To revise, Bayes theorem is a simple mathematical formula to calculate conditional probabilities, where S is the sample space and E1, E2, E3 up to EI would be mutually exclusive events, and A would be any event which occur from these events E1, E2 and all. Here the question says, in a Bolt factory, machines A, B and C manufacture respectively 25%, 35% and 40% of the total bolts. Of their output, 5, 4 and 2% are respectively defective bolts. A bolt is drawn at random from the product. If the bolt drawn is found to be defective, then what is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? Here we can see that A, B and C are mutually exclusive events, and the bolt which is drawn defective is an event which has occurred from these A, B and C events. So E1 becomes any bolt manufactured by machine A. E2 becomes bolt manufactured by machine B, and E3 becomes bolt manufactured by machine C, and A becomes our defective bolts. According to the question, we need to find out the probability that if the bolt is drawn is found to be defective, then what's the probability that it is manufactured by machine B. So machine B is E2 over here. We need to find out probability of E2 by A, which would be equal to probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A by E3. Now we need to put the values in this formula. So first we need to calculate the probability of E1, E2 and E3. So probability of E1 would be, there are 25% bolts manufactured by machine A. So probability of E1 would be 25% by 100. Similarly, probability of E2 would be 35 by 100, and probability of E3 would be 40 by 100. Now we need to calculate probability of A by E2, and probability of A by E1 would be, here of their output 5, 4, 2% are respectively defective bolts. So they are respective bolts from their machine A, machine B and machine C. So probability of A by E1 would be 5 by, how many bolts are there? 5 and 4, 9 plus 2, 11. That is 5 by 11. Comma, probability of A by E2 would be 4 by 11, and probability of A by E3 would be 2 by 11. Let's put these values in this formula, which would be equal to probability of E2. E2 is 35 by 100. So 35 by 100 into A by E2 is 4 by 11 into 4 by 11 upon, it would be probability of E1 25 by 100 into 5 by 11 plus 35 by 100 into 4 by 11 plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 11. Solving this gives us the answer 28 by 69. I have directly calculated it because I have solved it earlier. You need to solve this equation to get this answer. Let's move to our next example. Our next question is 3 urns contain 6 red, 4 black, 4 red, 6 black and 5 red, 5 black balls respectively. One of the urns is selected at random and the ball is drawn from it. If the ball drawn is red, find the probability that it is drawn from the first urn. Here our events E1, E2 and E3 would be these 3 urns. So our event E1, E2 and E3 would be events of 3 urns, and our A become that the ball picked is red. So our A becomes ball is red. And what we need to find out is that if the ball drawn is red, then find the probability that it is drawn from the first urn. So we need to find out that probability of E1 by A, which would be equal to probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A by E3. So calculating the values of these probabilities, here probability of E1, E2 and E3 would be equal since there are only 3 urns and chances of picking any of the urns are equal. So probability of E1 would be equal to probability of E2, which is equal to probability of E3, which is equal to 1 by 3, because total there are 3 urns and we are picking any one of them. Now probability of A by E1, that is getting a red ball when we know that it is urn 1, would be 6 by 10, because there are 6 red balls out of 10 balls in urn A. Similarly, probability of A by E2 would be equal to 4 by 10, and probability of A by E3 would be equal to 5 by 10, as there are 5 red balls and total balls in urn 3 are 10. Putting these values in a formula gives us probability of E1, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 6 by 10 divided by 1 by 3 into 6 by 10 plus 1 by 3 into 4 by 10 plus 1 by 3 into 5 by 10. On solving this, we get 6 by 30 upon here 6 by 30 plus 4 by 30 plus 5 by 30. Cancelling denominator, that because both are 30 over here, we get 6 upon 6 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 6 by 15, and to get 3 into 2 is 6, that is 2, 3 into 5 is 15. So we get 2 by 5 as the answer. I hope you have understood those examples. For more tutorials, you can visit indiaedu.com.